Hey guys, it's Curly Gamer and welcome back to my channel. I am here again with another single recipe video, and this time we got some yummy moist brownie, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and hop right into this. I'm gonna first start off with a large glass bowl. This is about 4/4, I think. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in a half a cup of unsweetened applesauce. I'm adding in 1 large egg. I'm gonna go ahead and whisk this up really good until it is well combined, just to make sure that all the wet ingredients are mixed together thoroughly. Now I'm going to start adding in my dry ingredients. This is going to include 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of stevia, 6 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of cacao powder, 2 scoops of my Oregon's chocolate cream protein powder. Make sure I put it in the description box below, 3/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a sprinkle of salt. I'm going to mix this up very well with my silicone spatula here. It just makes it easier for me to put all my ingredients together thoroughly, making sure there's no any clumps or ingredients just sitting at the bottom of the glass bowl there, as you can see. Now, if you look at the texture here, it is a little on the thicker side, which I don't want. So I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of unsweetened almond milk. If your batter's texture ends up looking kind of thick also, just adding in a tablespoon of some liquid will go ahead and I guess you would say make it less thick, which is the texture of what we want. Then I'm grabbing a 8-inch cake pan here. You can also use just a regular square pan for traditional brownies, but this is just what I had clean at the moment, so this is what I'm using. Just making sure that I'm layering this in here with some parchment paper to keep it from sticking, putting it in my air fryer because it's super easy and it's a super small dish, so it just makes it easy for cleanup. And I'm going to go ahead and put my temperature here to 350, setting my time to 12 minutes, and I'm going to let this do this thing. After it went off, I did let it sit inside the air fryer for about 10 to 15 minutes just to make sure that it cooks thoroughly. It's a baking tip that I actually learned, that you actually don't have to continue cooking your baked goods inside the oven or air fryer or whatever contraption you're using. You can just let it sit in more of the moist air, I guess is how you say it, and it will cook thoroughly without it actually drying out. So a really cool tip that I ended up learning about baked goods. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting these up. Now the traditional serving is actually 6, so you actually get a pretty big serving. It's only 111 calories. This is like my favorite go-to snack at the moment, especially because it's chocolate and chocolate is my favorite. And that is the end of the video, guys. I hope you recreate this recipe, and if you do, make sure to tag me on Instagram at CurlyFitGamer. I will be adding this recipe on my blog as well, so make sure to look at the description box below to get that link. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys!